Good morning, everyone. And my name is Kish. I'm the co-founder of Pangce Robotic. And in this congress, we have brought our latest model of hair transplantation robot, which is called HAIRO. And this is an amazing product, and we can do the surgery, for the extraction speed of 2,400 grafts per hour. And at the moment, we also use a punch size of 0.7, 0.8, and 0.9. And of course, this is our first product, and we also have some new models will coming in the near future. So, like, we can do hair implantation, and also we can do long hair transplantation.
Yeah, let me speak about that at the end. Concerning punch size, is the 0.8 the outer measure or the inner measure?
It's inner diameter.
The inner measure, yes. What do you think is about roughly the outer measure? Because I heard yesterday that, let me say, the first guys did have about 1.4 millimeters outer measure, and I hope that it's smaller with you.
Yes, it's very much smaller because we have done a lot of surgeries, and compared with human surgery, we can do very similar, even a much smaller trauma using our robot.
How many grafts you can take out per hour?
2,400. 2,400.
Okay.
Yeah.
The punch is your punch. It is
Yeah. We designed this punch, and we have a lot of special designs on it, like the materials we use and the shape of the punch. Also, we have some specialized coating on the punch, so it will make the punch sharper and have a longer time of usage.
There's a product available.
Just like I said, it will be for this model. So we are applying for CE, MDR, and FDA approval. So it will take 1 more year. And for the new models, it will take 2 years. Yeah. But we are also looking forward to bring these products, to the international customers as soon as possible.
One more thing, because I go back to you have this square area. You told me yesterday you will, it's hard to see, that you are working on possibly giving different forms as well, because we all know that this shape is a bit limited.
Yes. So we are trying to do different size and a different shape. So so like we can harvest more grafts with only in one single area. Also, we can adjust the shape of the digitation. Also, for the donor area, it will looks like more natural.